Hello and welcome to the Tarkus Zone. Thank you for joining me. Today we're playing the game Meet Your Maker and we're in the workshop. But this video is don't be a dillweed. And I'm going to show you right now a game exploit. And I'm showing you this for the fact that I don't want you to do this exploit, but I want you probably to report bases that do. Because this is an exploit, a problem with the game. And if you find a base that you go into and someone's exploiting this, you should do a report. So I'm going to show it to you right now so that you're aware of what's going on here. We all know if we put traps behind these cubes, the traps do not have line of sight. So for example, I guess the easiest one would be probably put this one in, and this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, so now we're just going to test this, right? At the location that I'm at. And those traps can't see me. They can't see me through these cubes. That is the design of the game. You're not supposed to have the traps see you through the cube. But the problem being is if you put, and this is where you see this exploit, people are, whoop, I didn't mean to do that. I keep on hitting the wrong button. It's early in the morning for me. So I want to go up to this and I want to mod this trap and I want to put this trap on second wave. I want to put this trap on second wave. And I want to put this trap on second wave, or the corrosive cube. I keep on saying trap. It's a corrosive cube. I'll put it on second wave. All right. So now we want to test this. Oh, I should put this one on second wave. We want to test this. Oh, it is on the second wave. Okay, so now what I do is I hit T. Okay, so those cubes are on second wave. So pretend the Genmat is in this room. It's like right here. And I've just grabbed it. And I'm going to hit the G command in the build phase to activate it. Watch this. All those traps can now see me through those cubes. It is an exploit if someone does this in their base. So don't be a dillweed, because you're taking advantage of a broken mechanic in the game. And I'm seeing it constantly with people saying, what is going on here, Tarkus? I go into basically an empty room. I grab the Genmat, and then I'm getting killed with all these traps that I can't get to. Because that's the thing about it, is they're walled behind this. So the only way to actually effectively, I guess I could shoot through it. I mean, I can shoot through it. But if I'm in with just melee weapons, then I'm at the mercy of having to cut through all this noise to get back here to destroy these traps. And they do it throughout the whole base on your way out. So they've taken advantage of this this exploit to get as many kills as you can get. And I'm telling you, as a gamer, as somebody who wants to get enjoyment out of playing video games, people who exploit this kind of thing just are not true gamers to me, and they know it's an exploit. I mean, so now you know. If you didn't know, you know this is an exploit, and I'm not doing this video so that you can go off to your bases to recreate this nonsense. I'm trying to let you know that bases can be reported in this game. You can report a base for this kind of activity. So I'm hoping this helps you understand. I mean, there's two reasons why I did it. Was to show you the exploit, tell you that it's a no-no, don't be a dillweed, and to show my content, my subscribers, that this is what you're dealing with. This is why you're in a room, an empty room, 1 second, and then you're in a room full of these stupid cubes, these corrosive cubes, and you've got every damn trap in the world attacking you, and you don't know where it's coming from. You can't get to them. And it's just literally nonsense. It's crazy. It's a crazy exploit. Well, I hope this video finds you well. Thank you for joining me. This has been the Tarkus Zone.